there is no infrastructure in the region that can withstand a Category 5. There is going to be damage if there is a Category 5.
JBNN keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones. Hurricane Melissa, the day Jamaica will never forget. It began like any other morning, but by midday, Jamaica was turned into the eye of a monster.
With the slow movement of the system, it doesn't allow you to recover. It's not like it's going to just move off and then gradually the water runs off. It's going to sit there pouring water while it's barely moving. And that is a significant challenge that we have to be aware of. It's going to cause significant, widespread, catastrophic, life-threatening floods, as long as what is predicted does take place.
Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 beast, was no longer a distant threat. She was here, but by the time she made landfall, winds were whirring past 185 miles per hour. The sky turned grey, the sea rose up, and in just minutes, calm communities became scenes of chaos. Across St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Westmoreland, Trelawney and Hanover, houses were torn apart, roads vanished beneath torrents of water, and power lines fell like matchsticks. People watched in disbelief as zinc sheets, trees and debris filled the air, nature's fury unfolding in broad daylight. The storm raged for hours, and when the wind finally calmed, silence, a heavy heartbreaking silence. When the clouds cleared, Jamaica saw the truth. Entire neighborhoods flattened, farmlands destroyed, and lives changed forever.
Everything flat at Cambridge, man. Everything flat, you can't think about in a boat.
Okay, tree thump in a car, then this could have real. Could have? The place mash right up. They may rub off a road, fling down in a gully. Could have? The people they must sweep mud out of the yard. Upstairs, the only who have upstairs could have go upstairs, or they run go a neighbor yard, go upstairs.
But in the middle of the wreckage, something powerful remained. The strength of Jamaicans. Neighbors helping neighbors. People rebuilding, sharing, surviving. Because no matter how strong the storm, Jamaica always rises again. Hurricane Melissa will be remembered as one of the fiercest storms in history, but also the day Jamaica's resilience shone brighter than the sun that followed. Hurricane Melissa will be remembered as one of the fiercest storms in history, but also the day Jamaica's resilience shone brighter than the sun that followed. This is Jamaica, tested but never defeated.
Every morning, he get up and he preach and he pray for the community. And they warn the people, them say, to serve God and giving life to God. And look at it. Not even one zinc don't blow off a rough shop. And I know, like, you know, happen to his time. Nothing no back it up. And look, Benji shop gone, Direct shop gone, Youth shop gone, Mike house gone, Direct them house gone. And look, rough shop there so safe and sound. So this. Me say not even the guttering we are just tying type on this. Tell me now. Who no believe in a God? Alright. Yeah, man. So look. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So this is a sign. Not one zinc. Not one zinc blow off light. Ruffy been preaching every morning and I want. And look. Alright.
JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily uploads.